Holiday Inn Express and Suites, exit 15 in South Hill, Virginia. You just stand there and don't move. We'll be back to get you later.
So stoked we are getting done. Bags packed to around the run today. We're really on our way. Feel like we'll soon explode. Got the good old party mode, okay? Soon we're on our way, yeah. And our friends join the time run, 'cause today's the day they all will join. It's great. We're really on our way, yeah.
And I guess I should say that exit 15 is off Interstate 85. Nice little workstations, business center as they call it, and they have an ATM. Indoor pool, and they do have a nice looking gym I saw from outside. That's nice, let you know you got off on the right floor. We're going to the left. Nice wide, almost like retro lighting. Oh, wide hallways, like retro lighting and carpet. Guess they put us in timeout because we're at the end of the hall. We came in and the TV was already on, kind of like they do at Disney. They leave the TV on for you. I tell you what, if you are here for business, oh my gosh, this is like the place. I wish like Disney had this whole setup in some of the rooms. So hooks, large screen TV, lots of, you got your USB and outlets there, and a safe iron, wood hangers. Oops, that's loud. And this is like very retro. This is like 70s. Even the color is like 70s, orange and green. That's funny. And your outlets and stuff here. Just taking a look at where we are. So we are going to lower these. And there we go. We're on the second floor. Oh. What is that, Lakeland? What is that?
I know, I told you. I think it's like non-American outlets.
Really? Okay, somebody comment below, because I don't travel internationally. Is that like an international outlet? It really does look like it. Huh. When you come in, there's no carpet. This is the best thing ever. Whoever was the person that thought this up was brilliant. This is like the perfect, I haven't done it yet, but I will. This is a perfect place, well, of course I set the keys down, for a purse. We have a microwave, a Keurig, your ice cup, a taller than standard refrigerator, and like nice towels, enough towels. They have, Holiday Inns have Bath and Body Works products, which is nice. The white citrus smells lovely. Let's see, is this a lit mirror? No. And the wall by the toilet. And so the only downfall I have seen so far is yeah, they need to take a toothbrush. It's not major. It's not like make me throw up. You know what? Why is that there? Kind of smells funny in here. They could definitely do a better job on cleaning the shower, but so far that is the only, I mean, that's just laziness right here. Take a toothbrush. no big deal. So, oh my God.
Ew.
Okay.
That's like hair.
That's hanging. That is hair. It actually looks like this floor has not been cleaned.
Did they clean the bathroom at all?
Yeah, the toilet's clean and the sink area is clean. But this floor is not clean.
There's hair right there.
Luckily, I took a shower. That is hair. That's gross. Luckily, I took a shower right before I left. So I will not be walking in here barefoot at all. It makes me wonder. It's kind of deceiving. I was getting ready to say this has been great. But now let's just take a look at the sheets. Okay, so sheets smell clean. They look clean. So it looks like the only problem was the bathroom. This is a non-smoking facility and no pets. Okay, actually there's just like, oh my God, is that like a whisker? It almost looks like a whisker and a dark piece of lint, which isn't the best thing that you want when you have white sheets, and just some type of little stain that could have came from laundry right there. It is breakfast time, and I love that the Holiday Inns have turkey sausage and veggie omelets. We chose cheese omelet, and I am loving this whole plate display there. I may have to steal that idea. That's pretty cool. So it seems very, very clean. Lots of choices of food over there. Bacon, turkey sausage, the veggie omelet, or regular cheese omelet. They also have like a Cinnabon area. And of course, TV. So right across the street from where we stayed, the Holiday Inn, there's a Love's. And there's a dog park. So just FYI, if you're traveling with animals through this area, it's a good place to stop and give them a break.